Hello beautiful people. Thank you so much for 1,000+ subscriber. It really means a lot. I never imagined that I could get this milestone, and thank you each and every person who has supported me, who has commented, who has given feedback, who shares my videos, and each and every person, and all who is doing that. So thank you all, and especially I want to thank my sister who has been helping me in my YouTube journey. And yeah, I love you, and thank you so much for being here and helping me when I'm not in a good mood and when I don't feel like recording any video. She is the one who is motivating me in this journey. And not only that, she literally gives me ideas that how can I change my videos, like what should I use, she helps me a lot. And thank you to my family, mommy, papa, and everyone, okay, my brother. And yeah, thank you for supporting me, and 1,000+ subscribers really means a lot. And I just want to say I will not take this for granted, but I will improve my videos. Like, if you have any complaint, then I will definitely try to improve that. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and it means a lot to me. Okay, yeah. Uh, I don't have more words, so just wanna say thank you, and thank you so much. Yeah, love you guys.